Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I saw this video and it was how to crack your back in Brookhaven, so I really wanted to try that. So what I want you to do is you get out of the motorcycle that I already took out, you go to the hair salon, you try and get the little thing when it says get your hair washed, and then you had like your back cracked. So as you can see here, I transformed into a zombie and everything. I thought it was fun and everything. So I hope you like this video and that you'll make good use of it. Bye! Subscribe!